In today's video, we're going to be talking about estimate differences. This symbol means about or slightly equal to. Okay, it's going to be the same as when we did the video of estimate sum. Same rules. If it's 1/3 is less than 1/2, we're going to go ahead and round down or leave the number the same. And 2/3 is greater than 1/2, so we're going to go ahead and raise the number. I'm going to go ahead start with this problem. 7 and 5/6 minus 1 and 1/3. 5/6 is greater than 1/2 because it's closer to 6, so we're going to go ahead and round 7 to 8. And we're going to go ahead 1 and 1/3. We know that the half of 1/3 is 1.5, and that's less than, so we're going to go ahead and round and just leave 1 as 1. So then we're going to do 8 minus 1 is 7. So remember, it's not equal to 7, it's about or slightly equal to 7, and we're estimating these fractions. In this example, we have 13 and 2/10 minus 6 and 5/8. So we're going to start with this problem first. We know that 2/10, we know that the half of 10 is 5, so we know that 5, if 2 is lower than 5, we know we're going to just go ahead and leave 13 as is. We're not going to round up or down, we're just going to leave it as is. Then we got 5/8, and we know that the half of 8 is 4, so we know that that's greater than 1/2, so we're going to go ahead and round that 6 to a 7. And then we're going to go ahead and just subtract. 13 minus 7 is 6. So just remember, when you subtract this fraction, we're estimating. We're not saying that when you subtract this fraction is equal. It's about or slightly equal to 6. On this problem, we have 11 and 1/3 minus 15 over 16. So I'm going to go ahead and start with 3. We know the half of 3 is 1.5. So we know that 1 is less than that. It's less than half. So we're going to go ahead and round and just leave it as 11. Then we have 15 over 16. And we know that the half of 18, the half of 16 is 8. So we know we're going to go ahead and it's greater than half. So we're going to go ahead and estimate and just put 1. So we're going to go ahead and say 11 minus 1 is 10. So our answer is about 10. And this problem we have 21 2/5 minus 7 and 3/4. Go ahead and pause the video and try to go ahead and solve it on your own. And after you solve it, go ahead and put play and see if you have the same answers. Okay, we have 21 and 2/5. We know that half of 5 is 2.5, so it's less than that. So we're going to go ahead and leave as 21. We know 3/4, the half of 4 is 2, and we know that 3 is bigger than 2, so it's greater than 1/2. So we're going to go ahead and instead of writing 7, we're going to go ahead and round up to 8. So then we're going to go ahead and say 21 minus 8 is 13. So the answer is about or slightly equal to 13. Don't forget that if you know your friends need help on problems like this, go ahead and share the video with them. And thank you for watching.